Hello, everyone. Welcome to the week 2 check-in. Thanks so much for all the work that you've done in week 1. But we're on to week 2, and I think that's a good thing because we're moving through the course. So I went ahead and opened up the module for week 2, and you're going to notice that I'm doing this on the Saturday before the week starts. So that gets you an extra day to get into the material so that you understand it and you have time to go through it. So make sure you look at the lecture, which is here. Of course, you're going to have presentations, and then we're talking about nonverbal communication, and then we're going to talk about also a cover letter or a mission statement, which will be due in a small assignment here in the next couple of weeks. So make sure that you have that ready. Another thing to highlight is a week 2 review. You're going to have to post your initial posts by Wednesday. So it's not on Friday as it was in the first week because that was a short week. Your initial post is due Wednesday, and a reply to students, just like last week, is due by Sunday. So I think overall people are understanding the material and they're doing a good job, and I appreciate that you've done a good job, especially in the assignment related to the week 1 review and everything. So so far so good. But if you need anything overall, let me know. I appreciate your work and effort. I appreciate the people that have emailed me with questions. I'm always happy to help in any way I can regarding that. And if you have any questions related to the material of the test, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much for all you're doing. I hope you have a good day.